So the documents them there.
Just answer
Where is the
the
vehicle documents, driver?
Them did in the bag right there, so them not the glove come, you know see them?
Station you are going up.
Force, officer.
Documents, it's up to documents at station you are going.
Driver's license?
We not have nothing for me, you know.
Driver, you don't even have a driver's license?
No, me take them out, man.
You want a driver's license?
The driver's license.
No,
What
me
the
take
back
them
of your driver's
out.
license say?
Eh?
What the back of your driver's license say?
I don't even know what it say, no. I don't know what it say.
No, Scotty.
Yeah, station.
It's becoming a trend of unusual ways of proposing to the one you love. Now, this is just another in many that we have covered so far. Hi again and welcome. This is Link007 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this, a proposal that went down with the assistance of some police officers. You don't want to miss this. Coming up next on Link007 TV. Let's talk. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Link007 TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, just do the golden rule. Click that notification bell. Click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. I've seen proposal taking place on the streets. I've seen proposal taking place in the air. I've even seen proposal taking place underneath the sea. Now this is just another that we're about to share with you. After some police officers stopped a vehicle just in order for a male occupant to propose to his girlfriend. Now this video has made rounds on social media and we here at Link007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to share this video with you and give us your own personal opinion as well as it relates to how do you feel about this video. But I can tell you that this was just one of those dramatic moments that it totally convinced the female that this was actually a routine traffic stop. But without no delay, let me just go over to that video right now on Links TV.
Yeah, Ricardo, just up there, not up
Can you
there.
relax? Cause I don't like him do not.
If Erica,
Driver,
Ricardo, no bother.
driver. Keep your hands where I can see them.
for officer.
Put up your hand, them. Passenger at the front.
Video everything, you know, video everything.
Step on the side. Passenger at the back.
Come on.
Deborah, hope you have video everything now. I'm gonna know all of this for.
Walk to the documents, driver. Onto the vehicle documents.
Pass them, babe. Yeah, see them? So the documents them there.
Just
Where
answer
is the
the
vehicle documents, driver?
Them did in the bag right there, so them not the glove come, you know see them?
Station you are going up.
Force, officer.
Documents, it's up to documents at station you are going.
Driver's license?
We not have nothing for me, you know.
Driver, you don't even have a driver's license?
No, me take them out, man.
You want a driver's license?
The driver's license.
No,
What
me
the back of your
take them
driver's
out.
license say?
Eh?
What the back of your driver's license say?
I don't even know what it say, no. I don't know what it say.
No, Scotty.
Yeah,
I don't want
station
this
you are
man
going.
going a driver's license.
That's all you reckon.
Yeah, right.
But my other driver's
Pay for
license.
your wallet. Where's your wallet with your license? Sorry.
Benny, but when I go do the papers then? Me ask if you do want something for me now. Women can't go station there now. Want something ask if you do for me, please. Danny, want something, please. Daniel, touch now. Daniel. 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 Will you marry me, please? Daniel.
All right, Finger. Okay. Well done, boy.
So it is done.
Yeah. All right, let me see it. Let me see it. Okay. That's how you do it. That's how we do it. Let me see your face. You're not traumatized.
Shit, I would be too. I would be too. Erica, police friend, them know. Why am I police friend? Of everybody ever
So, Sissy Poo, you engaged. All right. Oh, look at her face. Oh my God.
Well, there you have it. That was the actual moment of a proposal went down in the streets. And as you can see there, the female, she became a bit emotional after she was totally convinced that this was actually a routine traffic stop by the police. And as you could see there, the police, they were so militant in the execution of this prank on her. And I can tell you, it's one of those moments when we look on this video and it just goes to show you how creative people are out there in the world, just in order to bring that support and that love towards that special person. I just wanted to just drop it in the comment section though, how you feel about this video, and just let me know, because I see that this one is one of those videos that really needs to be out there. Because even when I first saw the video, I must say I was totally convinced that it was actually a routine traffic stop. But after looking on the expression of the male face, I became a bit suspicious about the whole video. So I just said, let me just watch and see what will eventually happen in the video. And now we have seen that it was actually a planned proposal that went down. Drop it in the comment section though, let me know how you feel about this video. This has been Links 007 TV. Remember, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos on this platform. This is the place where you get the best in local, international, and those type of updates right here on Links 007 TV. I must say much respect goes out to you, the viewers who have been here from the start and continue to support the movement of Links 007 TV. Much respect goes out to Maggie and a number of other people as well that always been in support of Links 007 TV. Drop in your comments in the comment section. I really appreciate that as well. And as much love goes out to you all. Just remember, be safe, be good, and just continue to live and love. Much respect, much love. This is where we're gonna leave this one here for now. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless.